So the question is, imagine you are a business user and I am a developer. I've created this batch class, and I've executed it for once. But if you want to execute it, how are you gonna execute it? Anonymous window. Are you that much technical? You can write the code. Then that's what the question is. So in this case, like let me tell you when a batch gets executed. A batch gets executed in a scheduled way or in a like scheduled format. That means every night at 8 p.m. execute this code. Like early morning 7 o'clock, I get an email from my bank account or from my bank that this is the available balance on your account. This is the available balance on your particular account, and this must have like this message they send to each one of their customers every morning 7 o'clock. See how many records are there. So what they do is they have scheduled this operation that I want to execute this operation every day, or sometimes every month, sometimes every week. Yeah, this is the way they do it. Like every first of the week or every first of the month, create all the invoices and send it to our vendors so that we can get the money, right? So that's what happens, or that's what can happen, or that yeah, that's something that you want to automate. So we can schedule the batch apex as well so that it will get executed automatically, right? We can schedule a batch apex so that it gets executed automatically. And by the way, it's not like it always gets scheduled, or it can only be executed when it is scheduled. You can also create a button, and by clicking onto that button, there is a code written behind that button, and that code is this. And if this code will get executed, the batch job or the batch class will also get executed. That's what it is, right? So there are different ways of it, but there is one way for sure that's important, and that is how to schedule a batch job, or how to schedule, whatever you call it, schedule, how to schedule a batch class, or how to schedule a batch job or batch events. Is it clear? So let's understand that. So to schedule a batch apex or to schedule a batch class, we need to implement another interface called as schedulable. And the moment you're going to save it, it's going to give you an error. What it is, it says that it should implement the method. Which method? System.schedulable.execute. Right? This is the method which it should execute. So I'll create that method over here. Global void execute. Inside it, I've provided schedulable context instead of batchable context. And by the way, like every of like each and every method inside this batch apex takes this parameter database.batchable context. Let's talk about what exactly this database.batchable context is. Database.batchable context is basically stores the reference of the batch job that you're trying to execute. That's it. It only stores the reference of the batch job that you're trying to execute. Clear? So it should be same for the batch, or for all of them. But when it comes to execute schedulable context, that's different. There are two methods in the same class. Execute, the name execute. Can we create two methods with the same name in the class? How? Which one will get executed when I'll execute the method? When I'll Depends on the parameter. So basically, name can be same, but the signature cannot be same. And signature includes name as well as the parameter list, right? So over here it's batchable context and the list, and over here it's only schedulable context. That's what it is. So in this method, you just need to write down that same code that you were executing earlier in the anonymous window. That's what it is, right? So I've copied that code, executed over here. Write the code which will execute the batch job. Lead update batch, LUV, new update batch, database.execute batch, and we can also define the size of chunk while executing the batch size like this, 200. I think 200 is the by default size for the batch. Maybe you can just verify it once. Is it clear? Right. So that's how you do this. Is it clear? Now, like at what time it will get scheduled? Like is it every day, every night, every week, every month? What it is? Nothing specifies it, right? So what do we need to do? We need to schedule it. right? And how do we need to schedule it? Give me a second. We'll just go to our Salesforce org. We'll go to setup. I'm gonna make you write down that as well. Don't worry. And over here, write down Apex classes. Over here, schedule Apex. Click on this one. Over here, only the classes which for which the schedule update or like which implements the schedulable interface are gonna come. So over here, lead update batch is coming up. Let's click on this one. Job name. Update lead uh, records batch. Right, that's the name that I've provided. Apex class. I've selected this one, and over here, select the frequency. You want to execute it weekly, monthly, what exactly you want to do? Do it like this. Start date, end date, and preferred start time. So I want to execute it on like 7 a.m. every morning, except Sunday. And I want to start it from today. And I want to execute it till 2020. Right? So I'll just save it. Done. Now it will get executed every morning 7 a.m. except Sundays. Is it clear? Everyone? That's how you schedule a batch job or a batch class or a batch Apex. Is it clear? Cool. Now write down this program. I mean, how does it make any difference? It will automatically call the start method wherever it will find it in the class. It's never like, I mean, it's in any programming, in this specifically Apex programming language, it's not important in which order you declare or define the methods. It's important in which order they will get called. So in the order they'll get called, That's it.